Okay. This is a voice test for the Toy Chica animatronic. We'll be seeing if the greetings and onstage banter is going to work as programmed. Alright, first up is the introduction dialogue for Toy Chica. All you gotta do is press this button here.
Hi, kids! Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's Let's Party!
Right. The voice box seems to be a bit, jumpy today. Let's give it another run.
Sounds like it's someone's birthday!
Alright, that time was perfect. Now it's time for the camera flash.
Cheese!
Alright. Turned out pretty good. Now, the next test is line 2 for the onstage banter set of dialogue. Starting... God damn it. I gotta call my boss to get that ceiling fixed up at some point. What the fuck? How did the beat come off?
Flashing the door opening. Here, unlock this door. God damn it.